Imagine waking up, walking out your back door, and rolling your own airplane straight onto a private strip. No hangar fees, no long drives to the airport, just pure freedom. Today, we're counting down 7 private planes that are truly backyard friendly. Compact, easy to store, and simple to operate, these aircraft make flying as accessible as stepping outside. Let's dive in and see which planes bring real aviation right to your home. The Icon A5 is practically made for backyard flying. Compact, lightweight, and fully amphibious, it can be stored in a garage, rolled onto a small airstrip, or launched straight from a nearby lake. Its foldable wings make storage incredibly simple, allowing it to fit into spaces where traditional aircraft never could. Powered by a 100 horsepower Rotax engine, the A5 cruises around 85 to 90 knots, perfect for relaxed local flights or quick hops to nearby lakes or towns. The high visibility cockpit, intuitive controls, and angle of attack indicator make it especially friendly for newer pilots or those easing back into aviation. What really sets the A5 apart is its versatility. With amphibious capability, you're not limited to runways. Anywhere there's calm water becomes a potential destination. Maintenance stays manageable thanks to the Rotax power plant, and operating costs remain low across the board. For anyone dreaming of a plane that practically lives at home with you, the Icon A5 delivers unmatched convenience and pure fun, turning your backyard into your personal gateway to the sky. The Aeropract A22 Foxbat is a backyard pilot's dream. Light, compact, and incredibly easy to store or operate from short strips. Its high-wing, ultralight-style design gives it superb visibility and stable handling, making it perfect for relaxed flying right from home. Weighing far less than traditional GA aircraft, the A22 can take off and land in remarkably short distances, which means even a modest private strip becomes more than enough. Powered by an efficient Rotax engine, it cruises around 85 to 95 knots while burning minimal fuel, keeping weekend flying affordable and low stress. Its wide cabin and massive windows create an almost helicopter-like view, ideal for scenic flights or spotting landmarks around your home area. Maintenance is simple, parts are readily available, and the straightforward construction makes ownership easy, even for pilots who prefer hands-on care. For backyard flying, the Aeropract A22 Foxbat nails the formula. Light, economical, forgiving, and able to operate from spaces most airplanes wouldn't dare touch. It's practical freedom, right outside your door. The Pipistrelle Virus SW is what happens when a backyard-friendly airplane gets infused with serious efficiency and modern engineering. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little machine is a true performer. Its lightweight carbon fiber design and Rotax engine give it incredible fuel economy while still delivering cruise speeds up to 140 knots, making it one of the fastest aircraft you can realistically keep at home. And because it needs only a short takeoff roll, your private grass strip suddenly becomes a perfectly capable runway. Storage is a breeze thanks to its slim footprint and easily maintained composite structure. The Virus SW is also known for its smooth handling and impressive climb performance, so getting over nearby terrain or obstacles is never a struggle. Inside, you get a surprisingly refined cockpit with glass panel options, making every flight feel modern and intuitive, even if you're just hopping out from your backyard for a sunset loop. If you want a home-based airplane that's quiet, efficient, quick, and engineered to perfection, the Pipistrelle Virus SW is the sleek little rocket that checks every box. The Zenith CH-750 STOL is practically the poster child for backyard aviation. This thing was built to laugh at short runways, rough ground, and tight spaces, which is exactly why so many pilots keep one right at home. With its high-lift wing design, full-length flaperons, and that iconic sloped Sky Jeep windshield, the CH-750 can leap off the ground in distances that feel almost unreal. We're talking true STOL performance. Short takeoffs, steep climbs, and landings that make your backyard feel like a county airport. Its rugged, simple construction makes it easy to maintain, perfect for pilots who prefer to do hands-on upkeep or just want a plane that won't complain about dirt, mud, or grass. And because many CH-750s are kit-built, owners can customize everything, engines, avionics, interiors, to match their flying style. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly roomy for such a compact aircraft, with great visibility thanks to those huge windows. It's the kind of plane that makes low and slow flying feel like an adventure every single time. If your dream is to roll out of your garage, taxi across your lawn, and be airborne before your coffee cools, the Zenith CH-750 STOL is pretty much your spirit animal. The KitFox Series 7 is the backyard pilot's dream machine, light, playful, customizable, and perfectly happy living on a patch of grass behind your house. This is one of those airplanes that feels more like a loyal adventure buddy than a machine. First, the performance. The Series 7 pops off the ground fast, climbs with real enthusiasm, and handles rough or short strips like they're no big deal. If you've got a backyard runway that's more quirky than perfect, this little fox won't mind one bit. And here's the magic trick, the folding wings. In just a few minutes, you can fold them back and wheel the entire airplane into a garage or small hangar. That one feature alone is why so many pilots keep a KitFox at home. No airport fees, no driving across town, no hassle. The cockpit? It's modern, surprisingly roomy, and easy to configure. Want a glass panel? Simple. Prefer classic analog gauges? Also fine. And because it's a kit-built aircraft, owners get a ton of freedom to tweak, upgrade, and personalize. In flight, the KitFox Series 7 is famous for its friendly handling and slow speed stability, making it a go-to choice for new or returning pilots. Whether you're cruising low over the fields or slipping into a tiny backyard strip, it delivers pure, uncomplicated fun every time you push the throttle forward. If you want a plane that fits your home, your budget, and your sense of adventure, the KitFox Series 7 might be the sweetest spot in the whole category. The Just Aircraft Super STOL isn't just backyard friendly, it's backyard dominating. If your idea of a perfect Saturday is hopping over a fence line, dropping into a tiny meadow, and lifting back out in the space of a driveway, this is your airplane. The name says it all, Super STOL. With leading-edge slats, massive flaperons, and landing gear that looks like it belongs on a lunar rover, this thing launches and lands in distances that barely seem real. We're talking takeoffs in under 200 feet, sometimes way less with a light load and a headwind. Suddenly your backyard doesn't need to be big, it just needs to exist. What makes it perfect for home-based pilots is that rugged, forgiving design. The long travel suspension soaks up bumps, holes, dips, and whatever else your property throws at it. If your runway is more like an uneven patch of field, the Super STOL doesn't care. It was built for that. Inside, it's simple but surprisingly comfortable. Big visibility, big doors, and enough space for gear, fishing rods, camping bags, whatever outdoor toys you want to bring. And in the air, it's a blast. Hyper-responsive, floaty at slow speeds, and capable of crawling over treetops like a helicopter pretending to be an airplane. For pilots who want pure freedom, real bush plane freedom, right from home, the Super STOL turns everyday property into a launch pad. If you've ever looked at your yard and thought, could I take off from here? With a Super STOL, the answer is almost always yes. The RAN's S21 Outbound is the backyard airplane for pilots who want real performance without giving up that I can park it right next to my shed freedom. This thing is rugged, modern, and surprisingly capable, a perfect mix of weekend practicality and adventure-ready muscle. What makes the Outbound so backyard-friendly is its flexibility. You can build it as a tricycle gear cruiser or as a tail dragger that hops off grass like it's nothing. And with lightweight construction and strong STOL chops, it doesn't need a manicured runway. A short, slightly bumpy field? No problem. A sloped strip behind your barn? Still game. The performance is where it surprises people. With the Rotax 915IS or a Titan engine up front, the S21 climbs like it's in a hurry and cruises fast enough to make 200-mile hops feel effortless. It's got that sweet spot of being small on the ground, but big enough in the air for real cross-country legs. Inside, the cockpit is roomy for a light kit plane, wide doors, great visibility, and modern avionics if you want to spec it out that way. And it can actually haul gear, camping bags, tools, fishing stuff. The essentials for a pilot who wants to leave from home and not look back. The RAN's S21 is basically the suburban bush plane. Simple to own, easy to keep at home, and capable of way more than its compact footprint suggests. It's the kind of plane that makes every backyard feel like a runway just waiting to be used.